Hello everyone. Welcome to all for Ganga Institution Grammar class. I am Netra Arnalvade, Assistant Teacher of Ganga International School. Today we are going to learn about the meaning of an adjective and its degree of comparison. Adjective. An adjective is a part of speech. It is a describing word. It tells us more about a noun or a pronoun, such as person, place, thing, or idea. Or an adjective modifies a noun or a pronoun. Modify here means to change a noun or a pronoun by giving more information about it. For example, smart, tall, expensive, wonderful, good, beautiful, amazing, old, etc. Let us see some sentence examples. Ajay is tall. Tall is a positive form of an adjective. In this sentence, Ajay is not compared with anyone. Vijay is taller than Ajay. Taller is a higher degree of an adjective than the positive form. In this sentence, Vijay is compared with Ajay. Rajesh is the tallest of the three. Tallest is the highest degree of an adjective which is used for comparing more than two nouns. Thus, we can see that an adjective can show the degree of comparison between two nouns or more than two nouns. Next topic, degree of comparison. It is used when we compare one person, animal or thing with another. There are three degrees of comparison in adjective. Positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Positive degree. The positive degree of an adjective is the adjective in its simple form. It is used when no comparison is made. For example, Raju is young. Young is a simple form of an adjective. In this sentence, Raju is not compared with anyone. Comparative degree. The comparative degree is used to compare two persons or things. Generally, than is used after the comparative degree of an adjective. For example, Vijay is taller than Ajay. Taller is a higher degree of an adjective which is used for comparing two nouns. Generally, than is used after the comparative degree of an adjective. Superlative degree. The superlative degree is used to compare more than two persons or things. Article the is used before superlative degree of an adjective. For example, Varun is the youngest of the three boys. Youngest is the highest degree of an adjective used for comparing more than two nouns. Before going to the rules, let us know the meaning of syllable. Syllable is the sound of a vowel A, E, I, O, U that is created when pronouncing the letter A, E, I, O, U and sometimes Y is pronounced like a vowel. The number of times you hear the sound of vowel is the number of syllable in a word. For example, bag, dog, tall. One syllable words. Happy, cheerful. Two syllables words. Beautiful. Three syllables word. Comfortable. Four syllables word. Rules to be followed to make comparative and superlative. Rule 1. One syllable adjective generally form the comparative by adding er and the superlative by adding est. For example, small, smaller, smallest, bold, bolder, boldest, sweet, sweeter, sweetest. If a one syllable adjective ends with a consonant and have single vowel before the consonant, with these adjectives double the last consonant in an adjective before adding er and est. Thin, thinner, thinnest, big, bigger, biggest, hot, hotter, hottest. If the positive form of an adjective ends with e, then the comparative degree is formed by adding r and the superlative degree is formed by adding st to the positive form. Wide, wider, widest. Fine, finer, finest. Rule number 2. When the positive adjectives have one or two syllables and end with y, preceded by a consonant, with these adjectives, the y is changed into I before adding er to form the comparative and est to form the superlative. But if the final y is preceded by a vowel, we simply add er and est. In this case, exception is there. Happy, happier, happiest, dry, drier, driest, grey, grayer, greyest. Rule number 3. An adjective which have two or more syllables always form their comparative and superlative by adding more and most. Dangerous. Comparative degree, more dangerous. Superlative degree, most dangerous. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Cheerful, more cheerful, most cheerful. Children, have you noticed? In the comparative degree, we have not added er, and in the superlative degree, we have not added est. Instead of that, we have added more to comparative degree and most to form superlative degree, because these are two or more syllables adjectives. Rule number 4. Irregular adjectives are adjectives which form their comparative and superlative in a different way by changing the spelling of the word or by changing the entire word. Some adjectives have irregular comparative and superlative. With these adjectives, you don't add er or more to form comparative or est or most to form superlative. Example: good, better, best, bad, or ill, worse, worst, much or many, more, most, far, farther, further, farthest or furthest, few or little, less, least, old, elder or older, eldest or oldest, children. These irregular adjectives are having exception. So, memorize them to avoid committing mistakes. Let us see some sentence examples together for positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. This is a tall building. This building is taller than that building. This is the tallest building in this street. This apple is big. This apple is bigger than that. This is the biggest apple in this tree. Rose is a beautiful flower. Rose is more beautiful than jasmine. Rose is the most beautiful flower among all. Arun is a good boy. Arun is better than Jessica. Arun is the best student in this class. Assignment. Write the comparative and superlative degree of the following adjectives: bright, dirty, important, difficult, ugly. Second main. Using the following hints, write the sentences in comparative degree. Suhana, intelligent, Mary. Aeroplane, big, a helicopter. Air journey, comfortable than train journey. Fill in the blanks with the correct degree of adjectives given in the brackets. Today it is dash than it was yesterday. Cold. This dolphin is of all dolphins good. Your handwriting has become than it was earlier. Bad. I am dash than Veena. Courageous. Dear students, submit your assignment in our school website. Thank you for watching.